Welcome back to this channel for practice problems for actuarial exams. My name is Krzysztof Ostaszewski. You can find information about me at smarturl.it/Jedi. My advice on how to pass actuarial exams is at smarturl.it/pass. This video channel is at smarturl.it/pass actuarial exams. Here you have information about online seminars and study manuals for exams PFM, IFM, and LTAM that I offer. I direct the actuarial program at Illinois State University. You can find information about it at smarturl.it/actuary. If you would like to offer a tax-deductible, at least to the extent allowed by law, donation to support our students, please go to smarturl.it/help ISU actuary. Here's the problem for today for exam FM on financial mathematics. Calculate the Macaulay duration of an 8-year 100 par value bond with 10% annual coupons and an effective rate of interest equal to 8%. Well, here's the solution. We can do this by just using the definition of Macaulay. Well, not really the definition, the central most important property of the Macaulay duration, that it's equal to value weighted average time till payment. So the first payment comes at time 1, second at time 2, and so on, the last one at time 8, and the payments are 10, 10, and so on, and the last payment at time 8, actually there are two payments, a payment of 10 and a payment of 100, which is repayment of principal. And at the bottom we just have the price of the bond in this. So that's how it becomes the value weighted, because it's really 1 times 10 times 1.08 to the negative 1, so present value of 10, divided by the price, plus 2 times the present value of 10 paid at time 2, divided by the price, and so on. And of course the last one will be 110 present value multiplied by 8, because that's the time when it's paid, and the whole thing divided by the price. This can be rewritten as 10 times IA angle 8 at 8%, because the payments are 10, 20, I mean the values in the calculations, not really the payments in this case, but they then look like payments if you write them this way. So 10, 20, 30, and so on, up to 80. So 10 times IA angle 8 at 8%, plus the last payment of 100 is multiplied by 8 the time of this payment. So this becomes 800 times 1.08 to the negative 8. And at the bottom we have 10 A angle 8 at 8% plus 100 times 1.08 to the negative 8. The bottom, actually, you can just use the calculator to calculate the present value of the price of a bond, which pays a 10% coupon and has 100 principal, and it's an 8-year bond in the 8% interest rate environment. The top, we use the formula for IA angle 8, so this becomes 10 times A double dot angle 8 at 8% minus 8 times 1.08 to a negative 8 over 0.08, plus 800 times 1.08 to the negative 8. There we keep this. And then the bottom, as I said, is the price of that bond. And we can calculate it now, and becomes approximately 5.9891. You can also do this another way by splitting the bond into a par value bond and then treating the remaining portions of the coupons as an additional security. So you can calculate for the portion of this bond that pays an 8% coupon, which represents the bond trading at par, as having the price of 100 and Macaulay duration of, well, we know the formula for that situation bond trading at par. The Macaulay duration is A double dot angle 8 in this case, and that's approximately 6.2064, while the additional payment of 2 per year over 8 years has the value of 2 A angle 8 at 8%, and that's approximately 11.4933. And the Macaulay duration of This is the formula that we develop in my manual, and you should know it. 1 over d upper m minus n over 1 plus I to the n minus 1. Well, in this case, m is 1, n is 8, d is 0.08 times 1.08 to the negative 1. So this becomes 1.08 over 0.08 minus 8 over 1.08 to the 8 minus 1, and that's approximately 4.0985. And the Macaulay duration of the bond can be calculated as the weighted average of its two pieces, the par value bond and the extra two payments of 2 over 8 years. The total value of the bond is, of course, the sum of the two, so it's 111.4933. And the first par value bond has a price of 100, and we take the weight as 100 over 111.4933 multiplied by the duration of that piece, Macaulay duration, plus 11.4933 over 111 times 0.4933 times 4.0985, which is the duration of that piece that pays 2 every year. And that's approximately 5.9891. We get the same answer, of course. Answer C. Please remember this is copyrighted material. The problem itself belongs to the Society of Actuaries. The solution is mine. Good luck in your studies and good luck on the test.